Great. Good morning. I'm going to help you guys get this sign project ready for the ShopBot. So you should have already loaded your files into Fusion for post-processing, templates, and your tool libraries. So you should have already right-clicked on your setup, created from template, selected your template, and applied this EE sign template. If you don't see it in here, then you need to load those files from the Land School folder that I had sent you. So, for each of these two setup templates, you'll see them underneath this arrow, underneath setup. You're going to double click on each of these one at a time. You may have already done this. And then you're going to highlight, you'll see the perimeter of your sign, which is one line that completely surrounds your part. And I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to click OK. Give it a moment, and you'll see toolpaths. If you highlight it, you'll see toolpaths, maybe. Let's see here. Let me do that one more time. Pick my geometry. Right there. Give it a minute. There it is. So you'll see toolpaths that go into all the areas that the tool can fit. For the second simple contour, you're going to double click that, and you're going to pick the same outside edge, and this allows the tool to cut out your sign. There you go. Now, when you're all ready to cut it, and what I'm going to recommend that you do is hold the Shift key and make sure that both of these two operations are selected, and you can right click and you can simulate. And then if you turn on your stock and you can turn off your toolpath with these check marks, you can press play. And that'll help you see what can cut and what can't cut. And this is where you would go back to design. You would make changes to your sign project if there are things that you realize the tool can't get into. Exit your simulation, making sure that both of these are highlighted. If you're happy with what you have, you're going to right click and you're going to click Post. You're going to find a flash drive. Very important that you have a flash drive plugged into your computer and that your output folder is set to D. If it's not set to D, plug in your flash drive and click Open and make sure you find the one that says USB. And it should usually say D. For your program name and number, you're just going to go ahead and put in your name. So for me, I'll put in Geist. And for your comment, also put in your name. For the post processor up here, you're going to click Open, and you're going to select the ShopBot. And that is it. After you click this Post button, it's going to save that file directly to the flash drive, and then you're going to bring that over to the ShopBot, and then that's how you're going to run your file. So that is it, bringing it from Fusion into an NC file that the ShopBot can read. Thanks for watching.